Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mobin Malik, and in this next exercise, we are going to implement a garage system which will operate on the basis of a state diagram that I'm about to show you. This is the state diagram on the basis of which this garage will work. This is the initial stage. This is the down next, which basically means the next stage the door is going to be in would be the down or the closed state. This is the vice versa, which means the next state in this case will be the open state or the up state. This is the state in which the garage door is moving down, and this moving up, sorry, and this is the case in which the garage door is moving down. So using on the basis of this state diagram, I have devised a truth table in which I have used the gray code to define a system which will help me operate, which will help me get these equations, and then I can use the equations to implement the circuit on Proteus and show how this garage system actually works. So these are my input states. As we can see from the state diagram, the inputs are defined here, and all in the cases which have the defined inputs, the other inputs are treated as don't cares. The states are defined also, which means that the next state at a certain input is also being told in the state diagram, and these are the outputs at which the motors will be actually running. So as you can see from here, these are the equations that I have derived, and let's get to the simulation part. So this is the circuit that had to be simulated to work for the garage door. This part is here is for the flip-flop B, this part right here is for the flip-flop A, and this part below is for the flip-flop D. So you can see that the flip-flop B has the largest circuit and the most number of literals. So this part right here is our input part. This is the actual switch that will be used to control the gate. This is the upper limit switch, and this is the lower limit switch. So this is our actual motor, which will be rotating in both directions to mimic the garage door opening and closing. This is the clock that is given to the flip-flops right here. So if I show you the circuit running, the simulation is actually running now, and if I turn the button on and the lower limit switch on right here, you can see that the garage door is moving in one direction, which means that this door is actually trying to close itself even if I take the button off. So now same goes for the opposite direction. This makes the motor stop, and if I turn the upper limit switch on, the direction of the motor is reversed, and we can see that the motor rotates in the opposite direction. You can see right here. So this is the system on the basis of this which the circuit works. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.